Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fill Form 8938 only way. Gather your foreign account summaries, 1099s, and passport details before starting. I will walk you through each required section step by step, explain which assets to report, and highlight common mistakes to avoid. Keep documentation organized and double-check amounts and dates. By the end, you will feel confident completing Form 8938 accurately and submitting with peace of mind. Check whether your foreign assets exceed the filing thresholds for Form 8938 based on your filing status. For example, single filers with over 00000 or married filing jointly over 00000 must file. Include the maximum value of each asset, not just income, and add together similar categories. If you are close to the threshold, keep detailed records and consult a tax professional for complex holdings and valuation questions. Also, watch out for common mistakes when completing Form 8938 to avoid delays or penalties. Typical errors include omitting accounts, using incorrect valuations, and failing to attach required schedules. Always reconcile reported amounts with bank statements and Form 1099 and ensure correct exchange rates and dates. If you amend a return, update Form 8938 accordingly. Keep clear notes about valuations and ownership to support your filing if questioned, and retain receipts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.